You know, when you have one of those mind blown kind of moments, I want to share one that I had with you about 8 years ago. I was about a year into practice and I had two sisters under my care, and their younger sibling had had her tonsils and adenoids out for sleep apnea. Unfortunately, the snoring and the apnea came back within a year or so after the surgery. And I was talking to the mom, and she was all upset because her daughter was going to have to undergo a second surgery. At the time, there was all this burgeoning research, all this new information about the connection between orthodontics and airway health. And I took a look at her daughter, and her daughter was young. She didn't have a posterior crossbite, but what I noticed is that her side teeth on the bottom leaned in, and there was a lot of space between the side teeth on the top and the corners of the lips, and that upper jaw was narrow and had a deep vaulted palate. And I said to the mom, let's have a conversation with the ENT, see if they'd be all right with delaying the surgery and allowing us to do some expansion. The ENT said, cool, go for it. We went ahead, we did it. Guess what? The sleep apnea stopped, the snoring went away, they canceled the surgery, and that was like the best thing for this family. That started a whole new journey for me within orthodontics that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video blog. Have a great day.